Hi there. I'm calling this video tune-up. It's like a tune-up because if you have any problem on the phone, suppose if you can't receive text message, if you can make calls, if you can go to internet, and you do this, it's like a tune-up for your phone, and that fix almost any problem in your Galaxy. So go first to the applications, settings, okay, and then go to the system updates and update PRL. That will take like a minute. No, not like a minute, maybe 10 seconds or less. And then you need to wait for, and you will receive a message on the screen where they say the PRL it's already updated. If you receive an error or something like that, just push OK and push again in the same update PRL. But this one is the message say PRL has been upgraded. Push OK. Now update profile. I tell you, this will fix any problem in your phone, like if you can't send text message, if you can't make calls, if you can go to internet, or if the internet do not work like good. So the second one here is the update profile. Just push there and wait for like 15 seconds again. And the same thing, if you receive a message where they say error or something, push OK and update profile again. But right now the profile has been updated. Just OK. Your device will reset in 20 something seconds. That's why the system is going to upgrade your profile. So your phone will be shut off, and then the phone will be on 4 seconds. So this is like a tune-up because you received kind of settings on your system, and if you have any system upgrade, the phone will get that kind of settings back. So remember, if you can make calls, send text, or if you can go to internet, just make this tune-up and all will be work okay again. So okay, continuing, go to the applications. Oh, it's okay. Then you need looking for settings here, and go to the system updates and go to update Samsung software. This is in the Galaxy S2. Check now. Your system is currently updated. So go back and go to update firmware. So this is the last one. Now just wait like 15 seconds. And the same thing, if you receive an error or something, push OK and push again the same firmware updated. So wait like OK. No firmware update is available, just OK. Now the last one, go back, take out the battery, but don't turn it off, just take out the battery. Wait like 5 seconds. Put the battery on your phone again, turn around your phone, and that's it. Your tune-up is ready. If you have problems with internet, that will fix your internet, your calls, your text message, I don't know, many things on the phone. This is the Samsung Galaxy S2. So ready to go.